Okay, so yeah. I don't know where we're gonna go, but let me tell you, I am in love with cannons, because watch this. Hang on. I'll get this fixed up. Let me just do a little bit of this. Okay, there. That's how I love cannons. I can launch you, then pull you back. There's something on the screen. Let me get it again. Oh, that really hurt. I'm a piece of trash. Does anyone pick me up and throw me in the same garbage, but throw me harder so it hurt a lot? No? Okay. I'll be right back. Whoa. Where am I? This looks cool. What's down there? I wanna know what's down there. Well, looks like I'm gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Someone help me! It hurts. It hurts. I would like to see you guys flip it. Do any of you guys know what that means? It means that, you know, do a backflip. Huh? You guys better fear me. Fear me. Fear me. Owie. That really hurt. That was actually kind of fun. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Wee! Ow. I have brain damage. Is this cool? Okay. I'm a ghost now. Though 09 flowers. Wait, so there's no more bees to pollinate flowers? Well, that's just dumb.